प्यारे बच्चों सत श्री अकाल। तो सब ਦਾ स्वागत करदा हाँ अज दी वीडियो विच। अज मैं सब नूं कराउण जा रहा मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर साइंस क्लास 10वीं का। तो जे तुहाने अज तक मेरे चैनल सबसक्राइब नहीं किया तो वो कर दो, नाल कर दो इस वीडियो को लाइक, उस बैल आइकन नूं भी दबा दिओ ताकि तुहानूं मेरी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सब तो पहला मिले। तो चलो शुरू करते हाँ। क्लास 10वीं का पेपर है। फर्स्ट प्रश्न, Gurpreet bought some mint from the market. After some days, there was a strong smell from mint. Why did this happen? तो इसका उत्तर है डी, डिस्प्लेसमेंट। इसका उत्तर डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं है, इसका उत्तर है बी, ऑक्सीडेशन। सेकंड, when we mix lead nitrate and potassium iodide, yellow precipitate is formed. Can you name the precipitate? तो इसका उत्तर है डी, लीड आयोडाइड। अगे थर्ड, pH of a neutral solution is, तो इसका उत्तर है बी, 7। फोर्थ, tartaric acid is found in, तो इसका उत्तर है डी, tamarind। अगे फिफ्थ, the ability of metals to be drawn into thin wires is known as ductility. During the electrolytic refining of copper, cathode is made of, तो इसका उत्तर है ए, impure copper। सेवंथ, what is the full form of ATP? तो इसका उत्तर है adenosine triphosphate। अगे एट्थ, what happens when water is released from guard cells? तो इसका उत्तर है बी, guard cell get open। नाइन्थ, select the mode of excretion in plants। तो इसका उत्तर है डी, all of the above। पिछले वाला जो सी what happens when water is released from guard cell is the D, dried up आवेगा। आगे चलते हैं आप। टेंथ, which part of the brain can be divided into two hemisphere? तो इसका उत्तर है सी, हिंड ब्रेन। 11th, which of the following is not involuntary action? तो इसका उत्तर है डी, chewing। अगे the disease caused due to sexual contact is, तो इसका उत्तर है ए, एड्स। अगे 13th, the human which has XY chromosome is called, तो इसका उत्तर है सी, मेल। 14th, which of the following material cannot be used to make a lens? तो इसका उत्तर है सी, डी, clay। अगे 15th, the mode of reproduction in Spirogyra is, तो इसका उत्तर है डी, fission। What will be the color of sky when seen from moon? तो इसका उत्तर है सी, ब्लैक। अगे की है 17th, which of the following metal is used in making the filament of electric bulb? तो इसका उत्तर है सी, टंगस्टेन। अगे 18th, choose the instrument used to protect electric circuits from short circuiting and overloading। तो इसका उत्तर है सी, फ्यूज। अगे 19th, what is the molecular formula of ozone? तो इसका उत्तर है O3। अगे 20th, which of the following is not non biodegradable? तो इसका उत्तर है ए, वेजिटेबल पील। अगे मैच कॉलम ए विद कॉलम बी। अ मैटर, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। यूनिट ऑफ रेसिस्टेंस, ओहम। नियर साइटेडनेस, कनकेव लेंस। मिरर फार्मूला, एथनॉल। ड्रिंकिंग एल्कोहल ਦਾ ਆਵੇਗਾ एथनॉल। ਅਤੇ मिरर फार्मूला है 1/v + 1/u = 1/f। ਅੱਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ 2 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਉੱਤੇ। ਤਾਂ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, compare functioning of alveoli in the lungs and nephrons in the kidneys and respect to their functions. This is the comparison of alveoli into the lungs and ਅੱਗੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ, nephrons in the kidneys are as follows. Alveoli in the lungs are tiny air sacs that are located in the lungs that help in a rapid exchange of gases. Nephrons in the kidneys consist of glomerulus and tubules through which glomerular filtrate passes. Again, third question, why should magnesium ribbon be rubbed before burning in the air? This is magnesium ribbon should be cleaned with sandpaper because before burning to remove the layer of magnesium oxide because it is very much combustible. Again, fourth, why should curd and other sour substances not to be kept in brass or copper vessels? When sour substances like curd and kept in brass or copper vessels, the lactic acid in curd reacts with metals which act to the corrosion of vessels as well as formation of harmful salts that can't be consumed. Again, fifth, what is the role of acid on our stomach? तो इस उत्तर है stomach acid, also known as gastric acid, is a colorless watery fluid. It is very acidic and aids digestion by breaking down meals. This makes it easier for your body to absorb nutrients when food passes through your digestive tract. Okay. Sixth, what are the two properties of carbon which lead to the huge number of carbon compounds we see around us? Catenation and tetravalency are the two properties of carbon which lead to the formation of a large number of carbon compounds. आगे चलते हैं सेवन्थ. How does our body respond when adrenaline is secreted in our blood? तो इसका उत्तर है adrenaline is usually released into the blood and has many key functions such as increasing blood pressure, including heartbeat and enlargement of pupils. आगे चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. हाउ इज द सेक्स ऑफ चाइल्ड डिटरमाइंड इन ह्यूमन बींग्स? तो इस तरह से सेक्स ऑफ अ चाइल्ड इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द टाइप ऑफ क्रोमोसोम ही शी रिसीविंग फ्रॉम द फादर. इफ शी और ही get X chromosome, then the child will be a girl, and if he or she get a Y chromosome, then child will be a male. आगे चलते हैं आपा क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. डिफाइन प्रिंसिपल फोकस ऑफ अ कनकेव मिरर. तो इस उत्तर द प्रिंसिपल फोकस ऑफ अ कनकेव मिरर is a point on the principal axis at which a light ray parallel to principal axis converges after reflection. आगे चलते हैं आपा आगे किया जाएगा क्वेश्चन 10. What is the accommodation in human eye? तो इस तरह the process by which certain muscles function to change the focal length of eye so that the image is clearly formed on retina is called accommodation of the eye. आगे आगे चलते हैं आप केड़े accommodation of the eye ते आपका हो चुका है अपना क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. गिव द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. तो इस तरह मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस never intersect with each other. Magnetic field line form a closed loop. Field lines have both direction and magnitude at any point on the field. Therefore, magnetic field lines are represented by a vector quantity. Okay. Question number 12. What is ozone? How does it affect an ecosystem? तो इस तरह ozone is a gas made of 3 atoms of oxygen. Ozone is a vital gas for all sorts of ecosystems on Earth, as it protects the environment from the damaging effect of UV radiation created by the sun. Again, question number 13. Which two gases are released during electrolysis of water? Mention chemical equation related to it. तो इस तरह in electrolysis of water, hydrogen and oxygen gases are released. Chemical reaction तुसी खुद लिख सकते हो. आगे प्रश्न 14. Why do stars twinkle? तो इस तरह the stars seem to be twinkle in the night due to effects of Earth atmosphere. Again, question number 15. What would be consequence of deficiency of hemoglobin in our bodies? तो इसका उत्तर किया जाएगा the deficiency of hemoglobin makes an individual anemic, which means fewer red blood cells. The deficiency of hemoglobin will decrease the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. आगे चलते हैं यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन 16. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5D. Find focal length of lens. It is prescribed lens diverging or converging. आगे 3 marks question. एडा में कोई भी 6 अटैम्प्ट कर सकते हो. When an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, what will be the observation after some time? Explain with the equation. Question number 18. What is the homologous series? Explain with the help of example. Question number 19. Draw the structure of neuron and explain its function. Question number 20. Write two differences between real image and virtual image. What will be the size of image formed by a convex lens when object lies at 2f? Question number 21. What is myopia? What are the reasons of it? How the defect can be corrected? Question number 22. Explain biological magnification. Question number 23. How does chemical coordination takes place in plants? Question number 24. The focal length of a concave lens is 2 meter. Calculate the power of the lens. Question number 25. How would you distinguish experimentally between an alcohol and a carboxylic acid? 5 marks question तो आप आ चुके हैं. Question number 26. Differentiate between sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. B. Write two advantages of sexual reproduction over asexual reproduction. या इस जगह तो कर सकते हैं. Draw a label diagram of the longitudinal section of a flower. What are the changes seen in girl in the time of puberty? Question number 27. Differentiate between metals and non-metals. Or what are amphoteric oxides? Give 2 examples of amphoteric oxides. B. Why do ionic compounds have high melting points? Question number 28. What is Ohm's law? How will you verify Ohm's law in the laboratory? Or A. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohms draw 15A from service mains for 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. B. Why is series arrangement not used in domestic circuit? So आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मैं आप सभी को मिलूंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. इस वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए थैंक्स.